In this video, you'll learn how to create a mobile repair website with a pickup and drop service using WordPress. By following these steps, you will set up an efficient platform for your mobile repair business. Begin by navigating to the WordPress.com website. Once you are on the home page, locate the Sites option in the main menu. Click on it to proceed to the next screen, where you will find options to create or manage your sites. Next, look for the button labeled Create with AI. This option allows you to utilize artificial intelligence to streamline the website creation process. After clicking this button, the system will guide you through setting up your site. Once you've clicked on Create with AI, you will be presented with options for laying the foundations of your website. Click on the link that reads Laying the Foundations. This step is crucial as it prepares the basic structure of your site. After selecting Laying the Foundations, you will need to wait for the AI to load. This process may take a moment depending on your internet speed. It is essential to ensure you have a stable connection to avoid interruptions during this phase. When the loading is complete, a message will appear saying, "Make a website as unique as you." This indicates that the AI has finished preparing your site. You can now move forward with customizing your website. The next step involves typing in the phrase, "Create a mobile repair website with pickup and drop service" in the designated input area. This phrase will help the AI understand the focus of your website and tailor the content accordingly. After entering the phrase, click on the Enter button to submit your input. This action will prompt the AI to generate relevant content and layout for your site based on your request. Following this, you will see a message indicating that WordPress.com can create a mobile repair website with pickup and drop service. This confirmation assures you that the AI is processing your request correctly. Next, type in the choice provided above. This could be a specific feature or service that you want to highlight on your website. Make sure to input this accurately to ensure the right content. Click Enter again to proceed after typing in your choice. This action will confirm your input and allow the AI to continue shaping your website's content. You will then receive a prompt asking, "What should your website be called?" This is where you will define the site title that will appear in the browser tab. After typing the name, click on Enter to confirm. This step is important as it sets the identity of your website. You will now be prompted to enter a tagline or description that will appear in search results and social previews. This description should clearly convey what your mobile repair service offers. Once you have decided on a tagline, type it into the provided field. This tagline will help attract potential customers searching for mobile repair services. Click Enter to submit the tagline. This action will finalize the description associated with your site. Now proceed to click on the button labeled Create My Site. This action will initiate the final setup process for your website, and you should see a loading indicator as the site is being created. After clicking Create My Site, you may see a message saying, "Please wait, your site is brewing." This indicates that the system is working on your request and you should allow some time for it to complete. Wait for the site to generate. The duration may vary based on server load and your internet speed, so patience is essential during this step. This process might take a while and the system will keep you updated on the progress. Once completed, you will be notified that your mobile repair website is ready for use. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.